Hey there, in this quick video I'll show you how to change the batteries on your LG 2025 Magic Remote Control. So let's get started. We'll start by turning the remote control over, and just here we have the battery compartment. What we want to do is hold the remote and just slightly press down and slide the lid. It will come down this far and we can from here lift off. Here we can see the two batteries. And the left-hand side battery, you can pop your nail just underneath, push back a little, and it will pop up. We can take this out, and this is one of the two batteries. I don't know about you, but I often get confused between the battery types. So as we have a look on this one, you can see it's a AAA. So we need two AAAs. That's the first one out. We'll repeat the same with the second, but this time the top is where we depress and pull out. That's the two batteries out. Let's place two new batteries in. We'll grab the first one. We have the pointy bit at the bottom on the left-hand side, the flat bit at the top. Pop that in. Then we do the same again. This time, pointy bit at the top, flat bit at the bottom. Last thing to do is to replace the lid. We place it around here, which is quite near the top, and just slide in, and you'll hear that click, which means the remote control has new batteries and it's ready to be used again. So I hope you found that useful. Please give the video a thumbs up if you have. Thanks very much for watching. Check out my channel for more LG TV videos, and I'll see you on the next one.